राज्यपाल, मुख्यमंत्री, दोन्ही उपमुख्यमंत्री या सगळ्यांनी बाबासाहेबांना अभिवादन केलं आणि आता त्यानंतर ते आपलं मनोगत व्यक्त करतात। सध्या राज्यपाल CP राधाकृष्णन हे बोलण्यासाठी आता उभे राहिलेले आहेत।
I touch and salute the holy feet of Bharata Mata, the most powerful and the most merciful. Today, we are worshipping the great son of Mother Bharat, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji, on his 68th Mahaparinirvan Din at Chaitya Bhumi in Mumbai. On this day, the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shriman Devendra Fadnavis ji, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shriman Eknath Shinde ji, and our Deputy Chief Minister, Shriman Ajit Pawar ji, Shri Kolidas Klomakar ji, Shri Dilip Karsagar ji, Shri Mangal Prabhat Loda ji, Shri Sanjay Bansode ji, Shri Amar Chaple ji, Shri Praveen Tarikar ji, Shri Rajkumar Badule ji, Shri Amol Mitkari ji, Shri Narendra Jadhav ji, the ex-member of Parliament Rajya Sabha and a great scholar who has written the book on our great Babasaheb Ambedkar ji, which was released today, and Shri Naksen Kamble ji, Shri Babarao Ambedkar ji, Executive President Bharatiya Buddh Mahasabha, Dr. Rahul Bodhi ji, President Akhil Bharatiya Bhikkhu Sangh, the officials, Chief Secretary, Commissioner, BMC, the leading police officials, Bhaiyo Begno, सबको नमस्कार। At the outset, I bow in deep respect to Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ji, and every Indian citizen is paying the highest respect to him. I remember in 2014 when our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji was got elected for the first time as the Prime Minister, and he was entering into the Parliament. At that time, one journalist asked him, Mr. Prime Minister, which moral you are going to follow as the Prime Minister? The moral of Quran, or the moral of Bible, or the moral of Gita? Without any hesitation, our Prime Minister has said, I am going to follow the Constitution grafted by our great Babasaheb Ambedkar ji. That is the great contribution of our Babasaheb Dr. Ambedkar ji to the nation. That's why our country is a strong democratic republic even today, and it will be there forever. And it is a remarkable event because I have seen very orderly long queue of thousands, indeed lakhs of people waiting patiently and with remarkable discipline to pay their homage to Bharat Ratna Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. I was informed that the devotees came here not only from different districts of Maharashtra but also from various states across the country to salute the life, vision and legacy of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. Their unwavering love, reverence and discipled contact are truly inspiring. I convey my grateful appreciation to all the followers for upholding the sanctity of this occasion and this sacred site. I also commend the government of Maharashtra, the BMC, the state police and the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Maha Parinirvan Din Samanvaya Samadhi and all the organizers for the excellent arrangements they made for this occasion. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji is revered across India as the principal architect of our constitution for countless Dalits and other marginalized communities. He is a beacon of hope and messiah of social justice, a towering scholar, journalist, educationalist, legal expert, social reformer, and political visionary. Dr. Ambedkar's contribution to our nation are unparalleled. Not only he is a great scholar, not only he is a great educationist, he is not only a great social worker, a social reformer, but above all, he is the most great nationalist of this Mother Bharat. That is where Ambedkar ji is a great man. There were so many offerings for him to convert to the religions which originated not from India but from foreign soil. He refused. He adopted the religion from this soil, that Buddhism he adopted. Why he has done it? Because his love for this soil is more than anything. In spite of his hardship, throughout his life,